What's Gabby saying, Maddie? What's she saying? Oh my goodness. Oh, that's slobbers. Woo! Is it good stuff? Did you just get a clean bath? Yeah? You feel good? That was a good bath? Gabby. What? What did you say? What? What is Gabby saying, Maddie? Oh no! Go look. What is Gabby saying? You talking to the camera? Oh. What you saying? Are you talking to your mama? Yeah. Let me fix your hair before everybody laughs at your hair. Oh my goodness, what kind of craziness is that? What? Oh. No. What? Are you sure? My goodness, I'm surprised the camera's not getting wet yet. All that blues. I'm gonna get these ribs through these. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, something happened to your sister. What happened to Maddie? Were you trying to do something you weren't supposed to do? Did you hurt your foot?
Boo-boo.
You got a boo-boo.
Kiss, Mommy.
You need me to kiss it? Where?
Kiss.
Where? Your toes? Yeah, oh.
Hey, Mommy.
You're welcome, baby. Uh-oh. Where'd Gabby go? Oh, no. Oh. There she is. Maddie, I can't believe you fit in that seat. You're funny. Look at these two girls. Maddie, weave. Say night-night.
Night-night.